Hey, Speed Society Car Club, it's Brian. It is June and we are back again, this time for Speed Society Car Club number 26, unboxing and unveil. Kind of as mentioned last month with the Nürburgring shirt, which I'm sure every single one of you love. We've got incredible feedback. Most of you said, how did you outdo yourself from the last one? But that's kind of our goal here. And it's something that we work really, really hard at and we're very diligent about, is to focus on not only the core enthusiast and the core car club member, the lifestyle components, streetwear, which we all love, but how can we consistently try and make everybody happy and keep trying to elevate the product and the experience. So this month we kind of took the approach of form and function. And what we mean by that theme is, what do you bring together as far as parts, to create a cohesive unit, whether that as a whole, whether that's a car as a whole, or whether in this circumstance it is the car club as a whole. Each one of us represents a different type of discipline, different types of cars that we have passions for, whether you like, hot rodding, or that's drag racing, or supercars, or JDM. We all come together as Speed Society Car Club members because we're all enthusiasts. We all love automotive, we all love motorsport. And we wanted to build a shirt that was more focused on that concept as it is. Form plus function creates the whole and creates the car club. We wanted to kind of kick a couple other elements in there, that it's June, it's summer, let's kick it off, let's have some cool, fun colors. We're in this because we all want to have fun. We all enjoy cars and being enthusiasts, and we enjoy each other, and we really want to have fun with this life and this lifestyle. So, let's have some fun colors. Let's have some bright summer colors. Let's have something that, is a little special for this month. So without further ado, like always, I wanted to kind of drop in. First off is our insert. You guys all know and love the inserts. This breaks down the whole story of form plus function, and many parts form a greater one or a greater whole. And like I mentioned, those are the elements that I want to kind of convey with this car club this month, is the individuality of each of us, and bringing that form plus function together into a really cool, unique design that's modern contemporary, but also has some throwbacks and some Art Deco and your 80s, 90, neon Miami to LA, and it's a pretty cool concept and idea, and I think you guys will really like it. So beyond the insert, we have the main core design in a different colorway for our first car club decal. And then we have a really fun one that again kind of plays off of more summer colors. But this one is the Speed Society Car Club member decal, and it's fun. It's a fun flying piston, which I think you guys will all love. But what I want to get down to is the nitty gritty, right? Is the shirt, the cool design that we just created. First off, I wanted to hit on some of the elements that we've done recently, depending on the car club and the month itself, is some secondary or third types of hits that we're adding, that bring a little bit more to the story and kind of finish off that theme. And for this month, the main one that I wanted to hit on was the lower right hip on the front of the shirt. And the lower right hip has the whole concept and theme of this shirt, which is form and function. And I want to get that for you guys so you can hopefully see that here. I'm trying to do this in a graceful way. So form plus function, all right? The front car club logo, as you can see, is bringing in some of those fun summer, bright, cool neon colors. And then, as you guys all know, our exclusive hit on each arm that we do every single month. And here we did a little bit of different take on it. And again, wanted to add some of those fun form plus function little design cues into the SSCC 26. Now for the full reveal of the rear of the shirt, the geometric shapes, the fun different kind of little accoutrement or accessories that we have in here in different colors, different colorways, different shapes, different sizes, different line treatments, pathways. Again, this was trying to represent each one of us, right? And all the different disciplines and the car enthusiasts that we are, to all come together, if you took each one of these components deconstructed, wouldn't make any sense, right? But when we bring together as a unit, as a community, all of those come together as a cohesive unit, which bring out the Speed Society icon logo. So there we have it, the Speed Society icon logo, Form Plus Function. This is SSCC number 26. Super excited, and today they start shipping. So as soon as this comes out, it's probably already shipping to your door. If you're not a current Car Club member, again, you have to realize that these are made in limited production. They're only made once, they're only for this specific month, and they're gone forever. They're collectible. Any Car Club members will tell you that, you know, it's an amazing experience. The value proposition is incredible. You also get 85 entries to every single sweepstakes or giveaway that we're doing currently. You get that automatically each month. You get 2 Car Club decals every single month. And it's just an awesome part to support Speed Society, number one, and bring everybody together as a community. So wanted to thank you again. We can't do this without you. We absolutely love the Car Club. We love all of you as enthusiasts and members. And we're looking to kick it up every single month. So go get your Car Club shirt, and we will see you next month with a banger, I promise.